I just got back from Oklahoma, but now I feel like I'm back home.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. See you.
What's up, YouTube? I hope all you guys are having an awesome, fantastic day. Just got off the plane from Oklahoma. I'm back in Florida. It's good to be home. So I figured we're coming to Walt Disney World and do an update video here at Art of Animation because the gondolas have been running. A lot of you guys like this resort. I know it's one of my favorites. And then we're going to take a minivan over to Fort Wilderness to have a early dinner at Trails End, which is one of the cheapest dinners on Walt Disney World property. Dan the man is here. Hopefully you guys are ready, because we are. Let's go do this. Also, the current heat index is 111 degrees. It's hot. Oh man, it's so good to be back at this resort. It's one of my favorites. The smell is really good in here. And I have done a full resort tour here at Art of Animation in Pop Century. It's one of my biggest videos. I'll be sure to leave that link down in the description if you guys want to check it out. Looks like they're doing some major refurbishments here in the main lobby here at Art of Animation. Wonder what they're doing. Maybe adding some more check-in areas. And you guys know me, I had to come check out the pins. This one's cool. I was hoping they would have an Art of Animation one, but I'm not seeing it nowhere. And if you guys are ever looking for rare merchandise, make sure you check out the hotels and the resorts, like this Alice right in the teacups. It's been sold out for a while. And they also have a live artist that will sit here and draw portraits, and you can choose from of different ones you want to purchase. It is definitely a good day to be in that pool. It's really hot today. I kind of want to just jump in. I do get asked quite often by you guys, what is the best resort to stay in? You know, I'm bringing my family here in 2020 or 2021. What is my opinion? If you have a family of 4 and you have somewhat of a budget, but you don't want to stay at the cheapest, you don't want to stay at the most expensive, Art of Animation, where I am right now, it's a great resort for families and people of all ages. I've stayed here once before. It was perfect. My family have stayed here before. I've known other families stay here, and nothing but good things. And it's pretty close to Epcot. It's pretty close to Hollywood Studios. And now we have the gondolas that are running from Art of Animation and Pop Century over to where you need to go. So that's my opinion. Definitely try Art of Animation for your next Disney World vacation. We are now entering the construction area for the Gondola Station right there. Looks like they've added like a restroom right here, and this is the walkway that you will take to walk over to Pop Century or Pop Century over to Art of Animation, and then you'll meet in the middle for the gondolas right here. And here's a better look at the Gondola Station and the walkway, and right there is Pop Century, and then here's the bridge, and then there's the Dan, and then not Pop Century, Art of Animation is right here. You scared me a little bit as I was talking. As I'm passing the gondolas to go have a better view of the gondolas moving, I want to say, if you guys are looking to book your next Walt Disney World vacation, go visit my friends over at Mickeytravels.com, as they never charge anything to book your next Walt Disney World vacation, and they're platinum earmarked by Disney themselves. I know I'm booking my next Disney World vacation with them. Are you guys? And if you guys are not familiar with the Gondola Skyliner Map, you can take it from Epcot over to the Riviera that has not yet been opened, then over to Caribbean Beach, from Caribbean Beach, Hollywood Studios, or back to Caribbean Beach to where we are right now, Art of Animation and Pop Century. And the gondolas are running. They're looking nice and smooth here. It is a little bit terrifying riding over that water here, but they do have a system right over here. I'll zoom in a little bit just in case of a emergency where you need to get off of it over water. They have like a boat right here that can come to you and get you out of the Skyliner. Man, oh man. If we pay attention, it just shoots you off and it makes like a loud noise like it just did. There it goes, all 11 miles per hour. And just like that, we are now at Pop Century. Let's go see if there's anything new in here. Well, so far, I don't really see nothing too new here in Pop Century, which is a good thing because I really do enjoy this resort. And those of you who have been with me for quite a while now, remember when I was trapped here for 3 days at Pop Century for Hurricane Matthew, was it? I think it was Matthew. It's the one 2 years ago. Yeah, trapped for 3 days. So I haven't stayed here since. But if you want to go check out that video, I'll leave that link down in the description also. And our minivan has arrived. Hello! Hey, maybe that minivan will want to race. Right? One of the really cool things if you take a minivan to Fort Wilderness is they will drop you off right at Pioneer Hall or the bus stop. So it saves you so much time being dropped off right there. So I highly recommend minivan to Fort Wilderness. We just got dropped off, but I wanted to show you guys, this is going to be the new hotel coming over here that's going to be next to Fort Wilderness that just broke ground. I believe they're calling it Illuminations. It's a rumor, but yeah, can't wait. It's gonna be a nice hotel. And like I said earlier, you just get dropped off and we are now at Circle D Ranch, which is going away. They're just moving it because of the hotel. Hey Dan, I want to do a pony ride.
Oh wait, Dev, it's only, but they stopped at 3 o'clock.
Yeah, I think there's a weight limit too. I think I can't do it.
Me too.
I won't. I just got back from Oklahoma, but now I feel like I'm back home. Look at the hidden Mickey. Little ponies. I think it's supper time for them too. They're just munching away. We just ate at the Hoop-de-Doo last week. I'll leave that video down in the description if you guys want to check it out. But today's adventure, we're going next door and we're eating at Trail's End. And here's a look at what we're getting ourselves into tonight. Only $35 for adults, $19 for kids. And look at all that stuff we can eat. Pork ribs, fried chicken, red velvet cake. Oh boy. Oh boy. To start off with, you're gonna have all your salad, Caesar in-house salad, vegetables, fruit, potato salad, coleslaw, shrimp, corn, beans, vegetables, macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes, fried chicken, ribs, baked salmon. Over here you're gonna have pizza and a house-made brisket, barbecue sauce, baked potatoes, dinner rolls. And over here, go to our desserts. We have soup. We also have an ice cream maker, bread pudding, apple cobbler, and more. Brownies, cookies. My goodness gracious, red velvet cupcakes, cheesecakes. Wow. And they do have chili and vegetable soup here as well. And here is plate number 1. There's a lot of good stuff. I'm impressed. Oh man, I think I need to go on a diet. And today's total, only $67.10. The AP saved us 10%, so $7. Not too bad for dinner at Disney. All you can eat. Ooh, looks like they're doing a few fun things for 4th of July. A dog parade, a golf cart parade. We are now checking out the pins here at Fort Wilderness. We got this one last time. I really like this one, but I'll be breaking the rules. I haven't stayed at Fort Wilderness, but Dan has, so Dan got a few. There you go. I am loving the new merchandise, the retro merchandise. Also have some good Fort Wilderness merch. Oh, I like that one too. Oh my goodness.
Dude,
look at Goof.
This is smelling you.
I know.
How do I say smelling you?
I don't know why you saying smelling either. It's fitting. There you go. That's the word you're looking for. Oh my goodness. Look at this pin. It says home with Mickey and Minnie. You gotta get it, dude. I'm jealous. I kind of want it, but I'll let you do it because you stayed here. I haven't stayed here, so it's only fitting. All right, what a fun evening back in Orlando, Florida. Man, I miss this. It's such a blessing being able to call this my home, you know, after in Oklahoma the other day in the middle of nowhere. It's reminds me why I moved here and why I live here. Fort Wilderness, Holy cow, Trails End. It was so delicious. It was so cheap. Well, not like cheap, but like
For Disney,
Disney
really
is cheap.
For food and
All that food, it was delicious. It's the same food as you would get at Hoop-de-Doo, so I couldn't even tell the difference.
No.
And then going over to Pop Century and Art of Animation and checking out, you know, the updates, because I didn't know Art of Animation had all that stuff going on for the refurbishments. Obviously seeing the gondolas going over the water was pretty cool. Nothing new at Pop Century, but heck, it was nice to get over there and check it out a little bit more. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know you guys enjoyed it, you guys care. Subscribe if you guys are new here. We do this quite often. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys are staying at Art of Animation. That is a mouthful. Or Pop Century. Or if you guys are coming here to Fort Wilderness and checking out Trails End. Very curious. If you guys want to donate to the channel, paypal.com is the best way, using PrinceCharmingDev@yahoo.com, as it really does help fund the channel as we are about to go to Tokyo. That's where all the savings is going.
1 month
towards
4 days.
1 month 4 days from while we're filming this. There's a cute little horse over here. All right guys, I love you guys so much. It is nice to be nice, and YouTube, we'll see you guys in the next video. These flies, my goodness. Prince Charming, Dan the Man.